Okay, TIs. Um, they're renovating the apartment upstairs, and the downstairs neighbors were banging on my walls thinking I'm doing it. This has been going on for an hour now in the same spot. And the apartment isn't even right over my apartment, it's to the side. And when I called the office to tell them to send out an email that they're renovating and building H, they said, "Oh, well, we know who's complaining. We'll just call them." So evidently they've complained about me before, but yet I live in an apartment by myself and I don't make any noise. I don't even have anything heavy to move around. False claims. So they right away say, "Oh yeah, we know who's banging on. We know who thinks that you're making noise." So evidently somebody's complained. But yet they're the ones all making the noise, and I never complained to the office. And all of a sudden my phone don't work when I try to call somebody because then they could hear it in the background. Lay down, Miss Perla. Perla.